Imagine this for a moment. You wake up one morning feeling tired, distracted, and mentally slow. Your thoughts are foggy, your motivation is low, and even simple decisions feel heavy. You look into the mirror and ask yourself, why does my brain feel like this? This is the story of Ethan Miller, a 27-year-old man from Ohio who discovered one of the most powerful lessons in life. A lesson that completely transformed his focus, intelligence, and mental strength. The fog inside Ethan's mind. Ethan worked at a small IT company. Every day he sat in front of his computer for 8 to 10 hours. Over time, he noticed something strange. His memory was getting weak. He couldn't think fast. He often forgot small things. Passwords, dates, even conversations he had the day before. One morning during a meeting, his boss asked him a simple question. Ethan froze. His mind went blank, like someone turned off the switch in his brain. For the first time, he felt scared. Why is my brain not working like it used to? He wondered. That night, he sat on his bed and realized something important. Your brain is like a muscle. If you don't use it, feed it, or challenge it, it becomes weak. And that was the beginning of Ethan's transformation. Ethan noticed that every morning the first thing he did was check his phone. Social media, messages, news. His brain was being hit with noise before it even woke up. So he made his first rule. No phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. Instead, he sat quietly, stretched his body, and let his mind breathe. Within 1 week, the mental fog began to clear. Ethan realized something shocking. His daily diet was killing his brain power. Fast food, zero water, and too much coffee. He made simple changes. A glass of water right after waking up. Eggs, fruits, or nuts for breakfast. More greens during lunch. Less sugar, fewer processed snacks. After 2 weeks, Ethan felt something he hadn't felt in a long time. Energy. Real mental energy. One YouTube video changed Ethan's life. It said, "Your brain grows when you struggle, not when you stay comfortable." So he made his new habit. 20 minutes of brain training every day. He tried different things, reading books, solving puzzles, learning new skills, studying something difficult, writing his thoughts. At first, it was hard. His brain felt tired, but slowly he noticed something magical. Thinking became easier. Memorizing became faster. Ideas came naturally. Step 4. Protecting mental energy. Ethan learned that not all people deserve your time because some drain your mind. So he made a decision. Distance from negativity. No more complaining friends, no more toxic conversations, no more negative news. His mind became lighter, calmer, sharper. One evening, Ethan's uncle visited him. His uncle was a successful businessman, smart, creative, and mentally sharp even at age 60. Ethan asked him, "Uncle, how do you keep your brain so active?" His uncle smiled and said only one sentence, "I never stop learning." That hit him deeply. From that day, he promised himself, every day learn something new. Every day challenge your mind. Every day grow. And slowly, Ethan transformed into a new person, confident, intelligent, focused. The message for you: your brain is not fixed. Your intelligence is not fixed. Your abilities are not fixed. You can activate your brain power anytime you want. Just remember Ethan's 5 rules. Start your day with silence, not a screen. Eat foods that fuel your brain. Train your mind 20 minutes a day. Protect your mental energy. Never stop learning. If you follow these, your brain will unlock abilities you never imagined. Because the truth is, your brain is the most powerful machine in the world, but only if you know how to activate it.